In this video, we will be making some purple sweet potato steam buns. For the ingredients, we will need flour, purple sweet potato, milk, sugar, and yeast. First, peel the sweet potatoes. These deep purple colored sweet potatoes are a very good source of antioxidants, fibers, and vitamin C. Cut the potato into thin slices and put them in a container that you can steam them. Steam the slices until you can poke through them with a toothpick or fork. Put the steamed potato into a big bowl and use a masher to break it down. Now add the milk and the sugar. Then whisk it all together until you can make the paste as smooth as possible. Add the yeast to the flour and mix it well. And then mix the flour with the potato paste. Knead everything together and form a ball. It will be loose at first, but after a few minutes it will start to come together. The firmness should be soft. Keep kneading until it's smooth. Or use a machine to make the dough smooth. With the machine, it will take about 5 minutes. Next, we prepare the other dough. Add some yeast to the flour and mix it well. Warm up the milk a little bit, then add the sugar to the milk. The warm milk will help dissolve the sugar, as well as help activate the yeast. Do not make it hot. Then add the milk solution to the flour and start kneading the dough. Knead until the dough forms a ball and is smooth by either using hands or a machine. When the dough is smooth, cover both the doughs and let them rest for at least an hour, or until they rise to about twice their size. When the dough is ready, knead the dough again to push air bubbles out. Once most of the air is out, press the dough flat and roll it thin using a roller into a rectangular shape. You can also use a machine to flatten the dough quicker and smoother. Be careful of using a machine. Keep hands away from the spinning shaft. Pass the dough through the roller a few times until smooth. When both are ready, stack the regular dough on top of the purple dough. Then cut the stack in half, or whichever size is comfortable to work with. Roll the sheet a little to make the stacks stick together. Then clean up the edges if you want to. When ready, roll up the sheets. Then cut into pieces that are almost equal to the diameter. Arrange the buns in the steamer and leave a big gap between them, since they will expand. Then let the buns to sit in the steamer for about 20 minutes for them to rise before steaming. Start steaming on cold water at a high flame for about 15 minutes. When the time is up, it is ready to be served. The steamed buns taste the best when directly out of the steamer. You can eat steamed buns for any meal, and you can freeze them for later as well. You just need to microwave them a little. For those that do not want to use a machine for rolling, we'll show here in the next 2 minutes how to roll by hand. Enjoy! absolute. Oh my god. Can someone not fall in love with this?